Sattupa sopivasti, saadaan ajaa suoraan lautalle.
Joo.
Nagu Färjan. Älä ala kalastaa tuolla lautalla, sä oot kauhea kalamies. Kuitenkin ajattelet, että rupeat heti kalastaa, kun päästään lautalle. Se on kielletty. Ei saa kalastaa.
Nyt mä otin vapaneen joukkoon.
Nice bridge! I love these high bridges when you can see a long way to the distance. The sea looks inviting. It almost talks to me to come for a dip, but not now. Got to ride some motorcycle. There is a two archipelago round trips near Turku. There's a longer one and a shorter one. And me together with my friend Janne was supposed to take the shorter one today, but we were too late. We hopped on one island and we could not continue to another one to complete the shorter archipelago round trip because it's too late. We are lazy bastards, we cannot get up in the morning early enough. Well, I will make another video when my summer holiday starts and I will take the longer archipelago round trip, and hopefully then it will be a better weather-wise too, so I can show you some good views from that trip. So instead of doing an archipelago round trip, I thought to give Honda VFR 800 review. This is insanely stupid machine. Honda, why did you do this? Please tell me why. This is supposedly a hybrid bike, and so you should be able to do touring on this. You should be able to do some city riding with this, whatever, general riding, commuting and so on, but this does not perform in any way well. No. I just don't understand why they have made this bike. This is completely shit. The driving position is shit. Ass is high up, face is down. My palms are soaring, aching because of I need to put my weight on my palms. Gears, let's talk about gears, like what the hell, and torque. If you're riding under 100 kilometers per hour, like now there's 60 kilometers per hour speed limit, and I'm riding with the second gear in, because if I go any higher gear from the second, this will start to stutter a lot, like you can see this VFR. This is total crap. I don't like this at all. Like, if I'm driving under 100 kilometers an hour, I need to crank to first or second gear just to, you know, to get this thing on move. Because if I crank it to too high gear, the torque ends. this cannot move me anymore. It just, you know, sits there like a stick in a shit. This whale doesn't move anywhere. Just making elephant noises. Nice little hobo. I know that I'm used to ride my Bandit with in the pretty low RPM section because it has the torque. It has many horses pulling that machine, so it can you know go from low RPMs. But yeah, and I understand that with this machine I should be, you know, keeping the RPMs high, but okay, I guess that I'm just a wrong person to ride this bike. I don't like to ride all the time in the high RPM section, like, and who would if you are especially kind of like touring that we are doing now. Why would you like to ride all the time 9,000-10,000 RPMs? Fuck that. I guess I just better quit this review rant. I just hate this bike. Let's not do a proper review or anything. I just hate this bike. We will soon switch back to own bikes and I will be a happy boy. What comes to Archipelago, well, I'll be back. Let's check some views. Then, moi moi!